Well, welcome back to another segment of Arizona Mortgage News Insider Update with our local resident expert, Mike Goblet of United Mortgage and Financial Group. Hey, Mike, how's it going this morning?
Good, Matt. How about yourself?
Not too bad. So, your topic today is kind of interesting. I guess everyone would like to pick their own mortgage rate. So, your question is why is it that banks don't let people pick their own mortgage rates? Is that kind of like the peanuts thing where, everything should be 5 cents?
Well, everything isn't 5 cents in this case, but picking your own rate, yeah, there's really no reason why you shouldn't be able to. And the real key to that is providing you with enough information so you can choose the best rate for yourself. But it is strange, and actually I've found it strange for years, that when you go to a bank or any lender, they will give you a quote and say, here's your rate, it's 4.5%, and here are the costs, or there's no cost to it, and that's all they tell you. And shouldn't you really be able to choose your own rate? Wouldn't that be nice?
Sure would be nice.
Well, actually you can, because even with them, there are other rates available that they're not telling you about that have advantages or disadvantages to them. Interesting.
That is interesting. So tell us more.
Well, actually, mortgage rates today trade in a wide range of different rates. For instance, a 30-year right now will trade from anywhere from 3.75% up to 5%. And a 15-year, you could have an option of going down to 2.75 or up to 4%. The real differences between all of those rates is some of them have a buy-down cost to get to them. Others have what are called an incentive rebate, YSP, or banks will call it SRP, that is provided for choosing a higher rate. So, and against those, there are some factors that weigh against what they turn out to be in terms of either their cost or their rebate. Things like the loan to value, your credit scores, how much money the bank or the broker is making, all get adjusted against those different rates. But the real key is, shouldn't you know what all those rates are and you make the choice, not the bank?
That would make a lot of sense, but it gets confusing when you factor in all the present value of money and long-term value down the road.
Well, and that's a real factor, and actually there's the philosophies of financial planners that can help with that. And really what you need to know is the best use of your money. And for instance, if your break-even point, most financial planners will tell you, if it's more than 3 to 5 years, you're better off taking the more money from the banks today on that incentive rebate than you are to take the lower rate with the additional costs. So there are factors of how long are you going to be in the loan, is it a 15-year, and candidly, my job and what we do here at United Mortgage Financial Group is I actually provide the lender's pricing sheet. And you can see exactly what all the rebate or costs are to the loan, and then make the decision as to the best program. And it isn't always the lowest rate.
No, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I've worked with you on those, and that is something that's unique about you guys. Is you give us 4 different scenarios that kind of give you a snapshot of today and down the road. And the question you keep asking is, how long are you going to be in this house? And what is your exit plan? And those are good questions that I think most people are probably going to look at the short term versus a long term, especially in today's market.
Yeah, you're talking thousands of dollars in most cases, in difference of cost or rebate money or money you can keep in your pocket, and it should be your choice. And banks aren't giving you that choice, but by the way, they operate within the same framework I do, They're just not working with you like a trusted client or like a financial planner, in my opinion, as they should be.
That makes a lot of sense, and you're 100% right. You're pretty much playing the role of a financial planner at that stage, and they probably, as a bank, they don't want you to know what the best option is for you. They're looking for the best option for the bank.
Well, a lot of reasons they don't do it is that they're really, and you bring up an interesting point. Nothing changes for me, and actually nothing changes for the bank, regardless of the rate you choose. Okay? Because there are different factors involved. What they don't want to disclose to you is how much money they're actually making on the loan, really from the back side. They don't want you to see that, and they don't want you to know how much they're making. I can tell you, I know the industry average runs from 2 to 2.5% in terms of their costs, although they may disclose to you there's no origination fee. That's because they're making it on the backside but not telling you about it.
Makes a lot of sense. Well, those are good things to consider when picking your mortgage rate, as you say.
Yeah. So if you want to learn more about it, give me a call. I'm happy to just walk you through the process. Even give you questions to ask your bank if you're going through the process right now. Put them on the spot. They should have the answers, and there's no reason they shouldn't give them to you.
That makes sense. So, Mike, what's the best way for people to reach out to you?
Well, our phone number at the office is 480-503-3533. Call me on my cell at 480-220-2329. Or email me at mike.goblet, Goblet, at our company initials, umfginc.com.
Excellent. Well, thanks for another informative hangout with you.
Well, my pleasure. Again, I love the questions, would love to talk with clients, even if it's just to make them a more informed shopper. So I look forward to the opportunity of helping.
Very good. Have a great 4th weekend, Mike.
Thank you, Matt. You too. Have a very good one.